Hey, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I am Tushar Dashgupta and you're watching FilmTush. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Smooth, Smear and Tweedle tool. To see how these tools work, we need a rectangle or any shape to work on. So select the rectangle from the toolbar. Click and drag it on the canvas and fill it with red color by left clicking on the red color, or choose any color you want. Now left click and hold and choose Smooth from the toolbar. You can see my brush size is very big, so you can increase or decrease the brush size from here. Now click and hold at any corner and you can see it smooths out the edge. You can smooth any edge or any line of any shape, but you cannot smooth inside of an object. This value controls how effective your brush will be. Higher value means more effective and lower value means less effective. Change the red value, or you can call it effectiveness of the brush. And the third option for this tool is pen pressure. And if you have a pen tablet, you can control the effectiveness of the brush with just a pen. Next tool is Smear tool. Click and hold your left click and select the tool. With this tool selected, you can smear any object or any edge of the object. The same way you can increase or decrease the brush size. As you can see, I am just clicking and dragging the edge inside or outside, and it is making a smear effect on the shape. Now delete this shape and make a new rectangle and fill it with red color, and remove the stroke by right clicking on the cross. You can increase or decrease the pressure of the brush from this control. So I am increasing the pressure and you see how it works. Now you can see the smear is more effective now. Press Ctrl Z few times to undo what we have just done, and we will see some more options regarding this tool. Lowering the value of the pressure makes the brush less effective, as you can see the effect of the brush now. So increase or decrease the pressure value the way you want. As I decrease the value, so you can see the effect is less. In default, smooth smear is selected. Now we will choose pointy smear and see how it works now, and increase the pressure value, and we will see how it behaves now. As you can see, the smear effect now very pointy. So if we drag it outside, you can see the pointy smear properly. Very sharp edges. Tweak the pressure value and you will have some cool effects. Also toggle between smooth and pointy. And the last option is pen pressure. So if you have a pen tablet, you can use this option. Now the next tool is Tweedle. So select that one. As you can see the icon, it is gonna have a spiral effect or Tweedle effect on the edge of any object, and these three tools only work on the edge. You cannot use it at the center of any shape. So just click and hold and it will have a Tweedle effect at the edge of the shape. The longer you hold, more the effect will be. Like the other tools, you can increase the brush size. So I have increased the size too much, and see how it works now. Instead of having a Tweedle effect on it, it is just rotating the object and having a little bit Tweedle effect on it, because these tools need edge to work on. So I will decrease the size a little bit click and hold at any point of the edge of this shape. Now it has a nice tutorial on it. So with these 3 tools and the other tools I have taught you in the previous video, you can make cool designs out of these tools. I can't wait to see how you can make wonderful designs out of these tools. On the top you have counterclockwise and clockwise. So select any one and you can see it is gonna rotate that way. So make a new rectangle and fill it with red color, and then use the tutorial tool and select counterclockwise, and see this is going to have a counterclockwise tutorial effect on the rectangle. And if you select clockwise, it is going to have a clockwise rotation, as you can see over here. So that's all guys for this tutorial. In the next video we are going to learn attract, repel, smudge and roughen tools. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.